Hi everyone, welcome back to Morphe Mail's official YouTube channel. This is me Suhani. Today we are going to discuss all the after process once you purchase our cold email marketing suite. So once you purchase Morphe Mail cold email marketing suite from us, we will be sending you an email with a link in it. It will be coming from our official Morphe Mail email, and then you have to click on that link. Once you click on that link, the next window will open. On that window, you'll see the option of buying a VPS. So VPS is a virtual private server with a Linux operating system. All the softwares included in Morphe Mail Cold Email Marketing Suite, such as ESP filters, such as email marketers, etc., all these are installed only after you purchase a VPS. There are two ways in which you can purchase VPS. One, you can purchase from ovh.com, and OVH has two separate websites for people from US and Canada and from people from all other countries. Another thing to keep in mind is OVH only allows credit card and PayPal as their payment method. So in case you do not have credit card or PayPal, we also have another option for you, that is cloudus.com. You can go ahead and purchase your VPS from Cloudus. Now let's say you are from US and Canada and you want to purchase VPS from ovh.com. Then you have to go to a website called us.ovhcloud.com. There you have to click bare metal and VPS. After that, you'll have to click on virtual private servers and select all the details as required. After you click on the virtual private server, click on configure, select no commitment, number of VPS 1, 4V core, 8GB RAM, that is all our requirement is. Then select any location out of the three locations, Asia, America and North Africa, whatever is available at that time. Click on continue. You will be redirected to order summary page. Then click on checkout. After checking out, it will be showing you an option to create your OVH account, in which you'll have to enter your name, your email and your password. Then you will have your OVH account created. Then you'll have to add the credit card over there and the VPS purchasing will be done. Once you purchase the VPS, you need to come back to the window for next step in our website. Then you'll have to click on the next step, that is in the bottom of our website. The next step is to buy a domain. You can buy domains from Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy, whatever you prefer. One thing to keep in mind while buying this domain is we suggest you to buy a .com domain because those have maximum delivery rates. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you'll have to buy another separate domain just for the cold email marketing purposes. Then you'll have to click on proceed to final step, and there you'll see the option of do it by myself as well as let our expert team do it. So if you click on do it by myself, it will be showing you a form. You'll have to fill that form using the login details of ovh.com or cloudus.com, whatever you used to purchase your VPS, and all the details will be emailed to you once you purchase that VPS on your email address. Once you finally submit that form, it will be reaching our system admin and we will be reaching back to you regarding the installation of all the softwares in your VPS, and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.